If you're in the Amazon Influencer program, one question comes up again and again. How do you find trending products to review? Today, I'll show you how Viral View answers that problem in just a few clicks. Viral View's dashboard instantly highlight hot products using real-time Amazon and TikTok insights. It saves hours of manual research. With Product Finder, just sort by viral score to see which products are exploding right now. You can also filter by category or sales to match your niche. Click on a product to view sales estimates, past trends, and visibility in Amazon's product carousel. That's the data you need before creating reviews. Viral View keeps updating so you'll always know what's hot. Want to try Viral View yourself? Click the link in the description to get started and find profitable Amazon review products today.